don't mind our Squidward ass. She's got fucking flip-flops on. Huh? I'm talking to myself. Talking to the camera. I said you can be as much of a squid as you want to be. It don't matter. Because we're not wearing full gear, so to your average person, we're a squid. Equally, we're both squids. At least we wear full helms. You know what I mean? But yeah, we're just gonna take the back way and cruise. I don't really feel like going fast. I'm not in a rush to get home, so freeway another day. Try to get her to go to like Detroit or some shit. Take a long ride down the freeway, you know, not just a mile. I think that'd be fun. I also want to get her mic'd up. I think it would be more fun. I could have just kept going a little bit, but I think it would be more fun to get a video with both of us recording and then me getting her audio, her getting scared on the freeway or some shit, you know what I mean? I think that'd be more entertaining for content. Because like once we've done it, it's not the same reactionary content, which is like kind of like does well. That's what I'm looking for. It is hot, isn't it? But yeah, man, unfortunately, there's no freeway today. It is what it is. Still a little riding video. It's still 2 up. Jesus Christ, that was sketchy. I thought we were gonna get smoked, to be honest. That was wild. That truck started going when I was about to go, so I got scared and hesitated, and then he finally stopped so I could get in front of him. But dude, holy shit, if we didn't move, we just got smoked. Would have been a good lawsuit, but I don't know if we'd be alive for the lawsuit. Oh, it's a good day for a ride, honestly. I'm loving it, having a good time. Kind of cool having somebody to ride with, just having those legs gripping you, man. I don't know, it's like I got my one person that I need in life. She's here, and she's a good armrest. Perfect armrest. It's windy, that's for sure. With the wind, I was like, she kind of was nervous, and I was like, I mean, we don't have to, you know what I mean? I was like, it'll push us around a little bit. I was like, your weight will probably help keep the bike be a little bit more stable with the wind, but I understand if you don't want to go. Plus, now we can kind of just like chill. Maybe she thinks I'm lost. They got a red light anyways. We're good. Could've went. Oh my. Yeah, it's a little fucked. Eee. Yeah, boy is a gangster with the dirt roads now. Huh? Oh, some deer? That's cool. The road's more important than the deer. I appreciate her thought process though. This is where I got passed by Moto Bro last time. Oh my god, it's a bumpy. Oh, it's a bumpy. It's a bumpy. It's a bumpy. It's only a little bumpy. I said it's only a little bumpy. It kind of made me gotta pee, I'm not gonna lie. Chill, chill, chill. You can't adjust like that, dude. You can't wiggle. Like, you gotta stand up and, like, don't get mad. Do you want to fall? Because I don't. Smells like fresh grass. Oh my. I love it. That was an adventure, dude. That place is old, huh? That's pretty badass. This is such a good road for, I was gonna say for BMX, but for bikes. I'm riding too much BMX. I guess you can never ride too much BMX. That's not possible. don't remember how to get home. I haven't came this way in so long. I know I gotta turn left at some point. Pretty sure. Don't know. This video is gonna be a lot of just like riding clips, I'm not gonna lie. So I'll probably just do an outro right now. Hopefully you all enjoyed. If you did, like, share, comment, subscribe. I appreciate all of y'all. And yeah, thank you for watching. Damn, that was a fucking fast, tight turn with her on the back. Shit, that felt cool. I'm not gonna lie, that felt pretty dope. I had to fully commit, because if I didn't, we could have fallen. Had to commit. Yay, I know where I'm going. I did it. I made it all the way back to downtown. Let's fucking go. Old ass church. Old ass everything. We don't have a stop sign, they do. What are you waiting for? Who's coming?
I'm gonna come.
Who is coming? Nobody. Fucking retard. Jesus Christ.